Hi guys, we're on HOYLAKE promenade and there's a big 9.4 metre tide due in the next hour. I'm just scanning along the beach. Never ever seen as many cormorants within half a mile stretch of the foreshore ever. Wind's about 20 miles an hour and these birds go on. And then at the back over here we've got an awful lot of oyster catchers, but we'll probably take to the wing very shortly. Just see if we can zoom in a little bit more. We're on maximum zoom now. And behind them there is some smaller waders, probably rank shanks or dunlins. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Any comments what you might like to see yourselves in the future. I'm just coming back to have one final look at these cormorants. They're roughly about 400 yards out still, but the tide will probably push them in. Been around about 30 metres of where I am.